We are back in the workshop, so that can only mean one thing. It's time for another Maintenance Monday. My name's James from Glidden Motorcycles, and today we are talking on a couple of things that you shouldn't skip post-wash. Now, I'm not going to go through how to wash the bike because there are 1,000,001 videos on that. What I do want to show you is a couple of tips and tricks and things that you should not be missing after you've washed your bike, particularly as we are heading into the winter months and if you're riding the bike through those winter months. So behind me here we've got a Yamaha XSR 125. Now this bike has just come in for its 600-mile service, so we've carried out the service and we have washed the bike, and it's time for step one of today's routine, which is to make sure the bike is completely dry. We've already done that, but if you're doing it at home, you want to make sure that whether you're using a cloth, whether you've got an air blower or an air compressor, so that you can get the water out of all the little nooks and crannies, because that's where corrosion starts, when the water sits. Okay, on to step two. Now today we are using this Yamalube protection spray. Now what this does is this will coat, and what this does is this is going to form a film over your components. It's going to repel moisture, it's going to prevent corrosion, and it's going to make your components look nice as well. Now on the big broader areas, you can apply this directly onto it and then rub it in with a cloth. On areas where you need to be a bit more specific, spray onto the cloth and then wipe. So this product is safe to use on paint, plastic, chrome and metal parts. You want to make sure that you're avoiding spraying areas like your foot pegs, brake levers, discs and pads, obviously, anywhere that could cause slippage, because this will be slippy. A quick wipe over to clean up any overspray, and that is your bike protected and ready for the next ride. One place where this spray is going to be particularly effective is going to be your wheels, particularly your rear wheel. This coating is going to help to avoid that chain lube and road muck from sticking while you're riding the bike. Because we've got a lot of components that we don't want to get coated with this, I'm spraying onto the cloth, and then I'm going to quick wipe up of any overspray that you might have got anywhere, and that's your bike protected and ready for the next ride. Next up, we have got the Yamalube multi-use spray. Now think of this as your maintenance all-rounder. This you want to stick on anything that is moving or pivoting. So side stands, levers, ignition holes and keyholes, any of these things along here, we just want to do a quick spray. This product displaces water, keeps things moving freely, and helps rust stop forming where you don't want it. You can also use it to chase out any water from switches or connectors. Just like before, you also want to wipe off any excess to keep things tidy and clean. Last thing to do if you cleaned your chain during the cleaning process is to just make sure it's re-lubed while the bike is dry. If you've missed our previous video, there's a link up here so you can watch that one. Then grab another cloth and just do a quick wipe around of the bike to make sure there's no overspray that you've missed. Particularly if you've put protector spray on your wheels, you want to just get a bit of brake cleaner and just wipe down your discs and your pads just to make sure that there's no residue on there. And there you go, you're all done. Another quick and easy job, which is going to make a world of difference to your bike in the long haul. So as with anything, these products won't last forever. Good practice is that every time you wash your bike, particularly in the winter when you should be washing it more regularly, is to just do another quick treatment of the protector spray and the multi-use spray. Over time, particularly that protector spray will build up on the bike, and only when you do a really deep clean will it clean it all off. So the more frequently you use it and apply it, the more protected your bike will be. So I hope you found this Maintenance Monday video helpful. The Yamalou products that we've used today, you can purchase from us here in the showroom, or you can go online and buy them as well. If you missed last week's episode, which was on cleaning and lubricating your chain, you can watch that here, along with a full playlist of our Maintenance Monday videos here. If you did enjoy it, please do give us a like and comment down below what you'd like us to cover in another video, and we'll see you next week in the next one.